Welcome everyone to another exciting review on our channel. Today, we're diving into the future of sport bikes with the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 7 Hybrid. With hybrid technology making waves across various industries, Kawasaki has embraced the change, and we're here to break down what makes this bike stand out. Let's get into it. Design and aesthetics. The first thing that catches your eye about the Ninja 7 Hybrid is its sleek, aggressive design. Kawasaki has kept the signature Ninja styling, but with a more futuristic edge. The bodywork features sharper lines, an updated front fairing, and a more aerodynamic profile for better wind resistance and handling at high speeds. The bike still keeps its sporty, aggressive posture, but there's something undeniably modern about the new look. Hybrid powertrain. Performance meets efficiency. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, or should I say under the seat. The Ninja 7 Hybrid features a groundbreaking hybrid powertrain, combining a traditional gasoline engine with an electric motor. This setup allows the bike to offer both insane power and impressive fuel efficiency. The gasoline engine is a tuned 750cc unit paired with an electric motor that boosts torque and provides smoother acceleration, particularly at lower speeds. With the hybrid system, you're getting a perfect balance between raw performance and eco-conscious riding. The electric motor assists during acceleration and deceleration, helping reduce fuel consumption while adding a new layer of performance, especially in city commuting and short rides. Technology and features. In terms of technology, Kawasaki has really pushed the envelope. The Ninja 7 Hybrid features a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to track performance metrics, battery charge levels, and even get turn-by-turn navigation. The bike also boasts a suite of advanced rider aids, including traction control, multiple ride modes, and an updated anti-lock braking system, ABS. What's particularly exciting is the integration of regenerative braking, which not only contributes to the electric motor's charge, but also improves braking performance. You're getting a truly high-tech riding experience. Handling and ride quality. On the road, the Ninja 7 Hybrid impresses with its agility. The hybrid system doesn't add excessive weight, and the bike remains light on its feet. Kawasaki's attention to handling is evident with a new suspension setup that offers a perfect balance of comfort and control. Whether you're leaning into a tight corner or opening the throttle on the straightaway, the Ninja 7 Hybrid feels responsive and stable. The combined power of the hybrid engine ensures that acceleration remains rapid, and the regenerative braking system gives you smooth, controlled deceleration. Conclusion. So, there you have it. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 7 Hybrid is a game-changer in the sport bike world. With a futuristic design, hybrid powertrain, advanced technology, and eco-friendly features, it offers the best of both worlds. Uncompromising performance and efficiency. If you're a sport bike enthusiast or just someone looking to step into the future of motorcycling, the Ninja 7 Hybrid is definitely a bike to keep your eyes on. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews on the latest motorcycles and tech. Ride safe, and we'll see you next time.